Today in this video, we'll guide you on how you can bold text in LinkedIn post. Let's talk about the effectiveness of bold text. A well-placed, bold word can grab attention, especially in an age where attention spans are fleeting. Instead of crafting long posts, why not let a bold word highlight your key message? So, you can use external formatting tools like Perfect Font Generator to style your text before pasting it into LinkedIn. This simple trick can significantly improve how your post is perceived. You can bold text using Ctrl+B shortcut. Just select your word and hit Ctrl+B and it will be bold instantly. The enhanced readability make it easier for readers to scan and locate the information they need. But bolding isn't only a formatting option. Italics and underlines can also provide emphasis and variety, making your post more engaging. They can help improve SEO as well, allowing your content to stand out all the text. However, keep in mind that bolding may not always be the best choice. It can sometimes make your profile harder to read on certain devices and may impact your profile's searchability. And sometimes, less is more. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.